Find the best chest freezer on Amazon and AliExpress. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best chest freezer on the market. 1.
Midea WHS129C1 single door chest freezer, 3.5 cubic feet, white. Mechanical control with adjustable thermostat from -12 to -28 degrees, great for storing frozen food, ice cream, ice, etc. Contains one hanging wire storage basket. Hinge-style door remains open from 45 to 75 degree angles. External product dimensions, 33.5 inches LX 22.2 WX 20.59 H. Full 1-year/compressor 2-year warranty.
Two.
Della 5.2 cubic feet chest freezer with basket, power indicator light, white. 5.2 cubic feet capacity provides room for you to stock up on all your family's favorites. Manual defrost is quick and simple thanks to the built-in drain. Convenient top loading offers easy loading and unloading. Exterior temperature control allows you to adjust the freezer's temperature without having to open the lid. Compact design makes it easy for you to use almost anywhere in the home. Overall dimension, January 2, 21, L, x March 4, 29, W, x March 4, 32, H.
Three.
Arc the King 7 cubic feet chest freezer, black. Easy clean interior plate is much easier to clean than typical silicone aluminum plates. Removable storage basket offers flexibility to organize and store your favorite foods quickly and with ease. Removable gasket keep your fridge clean and hygienic with a gasket that's easy to remove and clean. Recessed handle with simple lines. This modern design will suit any kitchen.
Four.
Avanti CF24QOW 2.4 chest freezer, white. Single flip-up lid for easy access. Integrated handle. Defrost drain. Removable storage basket.
Five.
7.1 cubic foot chest freezer, black. 7.1 cubic foot chest freezer with adjustable thermostat control. Power on indicator. Front controls allow for easy temperature adjustments. Holds approximately 135 pounds of frozen food. Easy access defrost drain. Includes wire basket for easy